Welcome, friends! I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to create something truly special. Handmade beet and ricotta ravioli roses. These aren't just pretty, they're a joyful, satisfying kitchen project with a stunning, delicious result. We'll take it step by step, and I promise you can absolutely do this. Ready? Let's begin. It all starts with one humble red beet. We'll roast it whole, wrapped in foil at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until it's beautifully tender. This deepens its sweetness and gives us the most incredible natural color. Once it's cool, we'll peel it and puree a portion until it's silky smooth. That vibrant pink paste is our magic ingredient. Now, to our trusty stand mixer, we're adding 300 grams of flour, 3 large eggs, and that gorgeous beet puree. With the dough hook, we'll let it knead for about 8 minutes until we have a smooth, elastic, and stunningly pink ball of dough. Wrap this up and let it rest for 30 minutes. This rest is crucial. It relaxes the gluten, making the dough a dream to roll out later. Time to shape our roses. Divide your rested dough into 4 pieces. Using a pasta roller, roll one piece out into a long, thin sheet. You're aiming for a thickness where it's just slightly opaque. Lay the sheet on a lightly floured surface and use a 3-inch round cutter to stamp out as many circles as you can. Re-roll your scraps to use all the dough. Here comes the beautiful part. Take 4 circles and lay them in a vertical row, each overlapping the last by about half. Now, snip the corner off your filling bag and pipe a neat line of the ricotta mixture right down the center of the row. Gently lift the bottom edge and fold the dough over the filling, creating a long tube. Press lightly to seal. Starting from one end, carefully roll this tube into a tight spiral. Tuck the end underneath and place your rose seam side down. You just made a pasta rose. Repeat with the rest. It's a peaceful, rewarding process. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Gently lower your pasta roses in. They'll need just 2 to 3 minutes. They're ready when they float gracefully to the top. While they cook, melt a couple tablespoons of butter in a large pan until it's foamy and fragrant. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the cooked roses straight from the water into the foaming butter. Let them sizzle for about a minute, gently swirling the pan to coat each one in that golden, rich flavor. This little butter bath adds the perfect finishing touch. Right after the pasta is done, let's make our super fast, vibrant sauce. In a blender, combine 2 cups of defrosted baby peas with 1 cup of light cream. Blend on high until it's perfectly smooth and the most gorgeous shade of spring green. Warm it gently in a small saucepan and season with salt and pepper. To serve, spoon a generous pool of that bright green pea cream onto your plate. Carefully nestle 2 or 3 of your pink pasta roses on top. Finish with a final shower of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano and a crack of black pepper. And there you have it, a masterpiece you made with your own hands. This dish is a celebration of process, color, and flavor. It's perfect for a special occasion or for turning an ordinary day into something extraordinary. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you feel inspired, proud, and ready to enjoy every beautiful bite.